उसके बाद पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि जब हम वापस आए एमबी वैली से तो इतनी दाल गली थी बस कि ऑफिस कम्युनिकेटर पे एक बार बात हो रही थी.
She wanted to just know that कि whether I am actually carrying on. She was like कि इसका टूट जाए और मैं हथौड़ा मारूं.
No, Karan, but then I was so crazy in love at that point of time that I didn't care कि कुछ बात करने के लिए नहीं है हमारे. एक तरफ मेरे जासूसों ने मुझे बताया है कि रिंग एक्सचेंज हो गई है और शादी होने वाली है, और जवाब मुझे क्या मिलता है कि we are on again, off again. It didn't go anywhere else because in my mind I was thinking कि डांस होगा, फिर करण मेरे पास आएगा, फिर हम लोग कुछ बात करेंगे, फिर ठेंगा कुछ नहीं हुआ. करण अपने नेक्स्ट ग्रुप पे डांस करने चला गया एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि ओके फाइन, इट्स ओके. आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट हिम एंड हैप्पी एज यूजुअल. उसके बाद पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि जब हम वापस आए एमबी वैली से तो इतनी दाल गली थी बस कि ऑफिस कम्युनिकेटर पे एक बार बात हो रही थी मिनट्स अर्ली. इट प्रोबेबली करण वाज रिप्लाइंग टू मी अलोन. ऑन दिस साइड बिहाइंड मी ऑल द 6 इंटर्न्स वर स्टेयरिंग एट द स्क्रीन की क्या बात हो रही है, कुछ तो बता. बट बात कुछ नहीं हुई. बात इतनी हुई कि इट वॉज दशहरा एंड आई हैड जस्ट रिटर्न बैक फ्रॉम माई होम एंड यूजुअली मेरे साथ मम्मी या नानी कोई रहते थे एंड इस टाइम मैं अकेली थी. एंड आई टोल्ड करण दैट ओ नथिंग एल्स, मेरे को तो अभी साफ सफाई करनी है, मैं इतने दिनों बाद वापस आई हूँ ना घर से. आई वॉज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल हिम दैट आई एम अलोन एट होम, बट ही टुक द वेट एंड ही वॉज लाइक कि ओ I'll come and help you clean up. And I was like, oh my god! But then finally that day I was just like, I took Roshni with me. I tried 5 different clothes and I was like, ये अच्छा लग रहा है, वो अच्छा लग रहा है and all of that. And then I had to look casual. It should not look like I've dressed up for him. Like very nonchalant. I have to be like, I'm cool. I was trying to be very cool. And when he came, मैंने घर already साफ कर दिया था, okay? But I was pretending कि अभी भी मैं साफ सफाई कर रही हूँ because that's the reason why he's offered to come.
When I entered, she was just folding one single bed sheet.
One bed sheet.
And उसके बाद काम हो गया था.
And I had already cooked some chicken pulao type thing. Yeah. Chicken that my mom had cooked and given me.
I love that.
And I made a pulao. I used to call it biryani at that point of time. So we were sitting and the only thing I was interested to know in the whole conversation was he asked me where am I from, what do I do. I found out his mom is also from Indore, what does she do and all that. But the only thing, the one question that I wanted to ask was that
she wanted to just know that कि whether I am actually carrying on. She was like कि इसका टूट जाए और मैं हथौड़ा मारूं.
No Karan, what did I just say? मेरे को किसी का घर नहीं तोड़ना था, मुझे सिर्फ असली पता करना था कि क्या सच है और क्या झूठ है. और जवाब मुझे क्या मिलता है, मतलब एक तरफ मेरे जासूसों ने मुझे बताया है कि रिंग एक्सचेंज हो गई है और शादी होने वाली है, और जवाब मुझे क्या मिलता है कि we are on again, off again. Sure, okay. Then फिर I served him some chicken pulao. We ate. We didn't have a lot to talk about, but then I was so crazy in love at that point of time that I didn't care कि कुछ बात करने के लिए नहीं है हमारे बीच में. But I didn't notice that. I was just like happy that a unicorn is sitting right in my room.
So कुछ ज़्यादा तारीफ हो रही है, लोग
अच्छे नहीं लग रहे जो.
ठीक है.
But I love you, no. You're still my unicorn.
Yeah,
that was our first meeting. After which, very quickly I found out. देखिए, one after the other, like there is a roller coaster ride already. Within the first 3 months of us meeting, very quickly I found out he's leaving the job.
Yeah, I quit Star after 3 months of her arrival.
Yeah, and I was like कि ये क्या बात होती है, मतलब वैसे ही वो मेरे को इतना भाव नहीं देता है, प्लस ही इज़ लीविंग द जॉब. तो अभी तक तो कम से कम आई कैन लाइक परेड राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम एंड आउट ऑफ साइट आउट ऑफ माइंड नहीं होने दूंगी मैं अपने आप को, मैं दिखा के कुछ करवा लूँगी. बट यहाँ तो मतलब वंस ही लीव्स द जॉब देन I am out of sight, out of mind, obviously. Fear he won't remember. But then I did one thing very consistently from there onwards. He left and I was heartbroken about it. And I didn't know how to keep in touch. Obviously, the stalking tendencies won't like go away overnight, right? So I kept following him on Facebook. So Facebook, Orkut से लोग Facebook पे graduate कर रहे थे. Facebook उस time Instagram जितना famous था.
Yeah.
So I kept stalking him on Facebook, and soon enough I was scrolling one day and from his profile I saw this update of Karan and the love of his life. ऐसे एकदम
धड़ा
ऐसे ऐसे
ऐसे
हाथ
ऐसे नहीं था, हाथ में हाथ लेके ऐसे और ऐसे
करके-
फोटो खींचा था
ऐसे करके फोटो था अगेंस्ट द सनसेट, Karan and his girlfriend, and they were like some 101 comments like, oh you guys are the best couple and this is the best and ये वो, and I was like, उस दिन मैंने असली चूड़ियाँ तोड़ी थी, उस दिन I was really like दिल टूटा था मेरा, I was like कि
तेरा दिल क्यों टूटा बे, मैं तो तेरे साथ ही हूँ.
उस दिन टूटा था ना यार Karan, मतलब अब मैं अपनी भावनाएं भी नहीं प्रकट करूँ, मतलब अपना दर्द भी नहीं बताओ लोगों को, दैट इज द होल पॉइंट ना, दर्द बताना ऑफ दिस पॉडकास्ट. तो बहुत दर्द हुआ था गाइस, आई वॉज रियली हार्ट ब्रोकन एंड आई डोंट नो, दैट वॉज जस्ट वन ऑफ द हार्ट ब्रेक्स दैट वॉज टू फॉलो.
Yeah. Now we'll continue with the story.
बट इटर्नल रोमांटिक इनसाइड मी कॉन्स्टेंटली केप्ट थिंकिंग ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, खुश रह ले तू, अपनी वाली के साथ खुश रह ले यार, कोई बात नहीं, मेरी अच्छी दुआएं, मैं तुम्हें दुआएं दूंगी टाइप थिंग. I kept messaging him once every year on his birthday. Consistency is the key, guys. Every birthday I would message him happy birthday to just kind of remind him. You know, out of sight out of mind तो हो गए, पर out of mind आप दूसरी तरीके से भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. सो आई केप्ट मैसेजिंग हिम दैट हैप्पी बर्थडे. बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि हैप्पी बर्थडे का रिप्लाई आता था थैंक यू, एंड आई वुड वेट कि और कुछ बात होगी, कुछ नहीं होता था, जीरो, दैट इज ऑल इट वॉज. But I kept saying happy birthday on his birthday and kept reminding him that I exist. Something happened in 2012 that he agreed to meet me again. Like I didn't ask, but he just said ki hi, how are you, how's it going. So we met again, and every time we used to meet in my flat that I used to live in, it was always that there was one single bed and Karan used to sit at one side of the bed and I used to sit on the other side of the bed, and we rarely had things to talk about. Again, I used to be just very happy, and this time around, second time around, we were talking about random things in life. Like I was showing him some of my family photos. I don't know why. Karan was
So
showing
we had
me,
nothing to talk in common. I think that was the
Karan
only-
was showing me this video of Tomorrowland. I was looking at
Oh
Tomorrowland.
guys,
and
there's this story of Tomorrowland. Let me tell you this thing. Tomorrowland was actually like the in thing at that point of time. If people are not aware, Tomorrowland is one of the biggest music festivals around the world. So I was really excited, and you know, at that point of time, I wanted to actually go. People were like, you know, there are special planes, the air hostess, you have like a DJ inside a plane. That was the kick that I saw in a video, and I was like, dude, I want to go there. And the music festival is supposed to be like 5 days, and the world renowned best DJs are supposed to be there. And I was like, hey, show, do you listen to
you
house?
didn't used to call me show.
No, I didn't used to call her show. I used to.
And he showed me that video, and I was just scandalized looking at that video, because people were like on the beach, they were wearing bikinis, living in tents, and it was like crazy. People were living their hippie life, and Karan was like, hey, would you like to go here sometime? And I was scandalized, and yet I decided to tell Karan that sure, why not? Like तुम मुझे 2 साल में पहली बार मिले हो, और मैं कुछ मतलब मैं तुम्हें ऐसा कैसे बता सकती हूँ कि I do not fit into your world. So I will have to obviously say yes.
So yes, I showed her the video, and before starting the video, I just like, you know, मैंने उसको पूछा कि show, what kind of music do you listen? So she's like, Bollywood. मैं बोला कि do you listen to some pop music, anything rock, or you can say anything in electronic music? She's like, she had no answers. So I'm like, do you listen to house music? And there's this question mark on her face, and she's like, yes. The music which we listen in the house.
I
was
did
like,
not
okay.
say that.
Yeah.
I did not say that. Okay, guys.
Like that question mark.
I just said yes because again I wanted to not show him that
अच्छा
I
वो
do
मैंने
not.
पूछा नहीं तो आंसर यही मिलता.
अभी पता है ना देखो, और अभी मेरे को भी पता है ना कि हाउस म्यूजिक क्या होता है. प्लीज हेलो, I was just going along with it. I was like yeah sure, I'll go to Tomorrowland. Yes, I know what is house music. मतलब for me the music that plays in the house is house music, right? So that is all it was about. But then slowly one beer bottle was over, and we did not have much to talk about, and I did not know how to take it forward anymore.
We had
And I
nothing
was
to
not
talk at
telling
that
him.
point of time.
I was not telling him to leave, and we were actually trying really hard. Like I tried to ask him that. So what shows do you watch? Do you watch Game of Thrones? He's like, no. Then I'm like, do you read books? He's like, no, I don't read. Then I'm like anything else. Then we came to house music. Then he said, no, I watch Suits. Do you watch Suits? I was like, no. Then he's like, do you read spiritual books? I read spiritual. I was like, no. So we both knew that this is all going down the drain, nothing is happening, but none of us were ready to end the day. But somehow it happened that हम seriously उस point पे पहुंच गए थे कि कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. So okay bye, he
Okay,
left.
bye. Yeah.
I left. And after which I was actually talking to Roshni, who was now my roommate also, that ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा यार, मतलब हम तो बात भी नहीं कर पा रहे. This is not going to happen. But he's so cute. He's so dreamy looking. I like him. And Roshni is like, but what will you do with that if you can't talk to the guy? I was like, yeah, correct, you're right. And then another year just passed by. 1 year later, yet again, consistency is the key. I messaged him on this thing saying happy birthday, and he said, hey, happy birthday. Do you want to meet up sometime? I was like, what? 1 year later? After that day, he wants to meet up again. What the hell is wrong with him? Something is wrong with him. He's saying to meet up. So this time around we met, and I saw a change in Karan. So the Karan that used to be very cocky, very very excited for life type of guy. And he had his own thing going on most of the time. He had his own journey in his mind कि अब मैं ये करूँगा फिर ये करूँगा. This time around he felt like he was very calm and quiet and settled, like something major had shifted in him.
Yeah.
At that point of time I was obviously still, I think we both had sort of seen enough life by that point of time, because we met in 2010, and now it was 2013 that we were meeting. So in 3 years we both had grown up a bit, and we were at different places in life, but my chingari was still there. I'm sorry guys, I really am like a lecherous gunda with Karan from time to time. And that's how I manifested him, guys.
Yeah.
He's being held here against his will.
Oh my god.
He cannot say this on video. But like I did some voodoo on him, and somehow he's with me now. That's what people believe because I'm Bengali.
Yeah.
But you never know.
Don't
I just keep playing with their mind like I play with yours. Yeah. So that is the time when things changed, and I think from here onwards, Karan will be able to tell you what changed.
Okay, I'll start from the start, and I will also tell them that the dada part of our relationship where I told her I don't love you.
How many times did you tell me that in your mind?
It was only once, and after that it's been never. I think I've truly fallen in love with the relationship and with her. I love you.
Thank you for watching, guys. There are so many of you sending us so much love, so many questions. If you have any more relationship related questions, leave them in the comments. If you want a one-on-one session with me and Karan, then the link you will find in the description. So don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every single time we release a new episode.
See you. Bye bye. Take care.
See you next week.